Hey everyone, Dr. Mike here. Taking care of our bodies is crucial, especially after surgeries. Today we're finding the best shoes for women recovering from knee replacement surgery. The right shoes can greatly improve your comfort and recovery. Let's break down the top 10 shoes for support, cushioning, and style. Check the links in the description to grab a pair. Let's get started. First up, we have the Hoka One One Bondi 7. Now if you're looking for maximum cushioning, this shoe is your new best friend. Imagine sinking your feet into a cloud. That's what the Bondi 7 feels like. This shoe is designed with Hoka's signature oversized midsole, providing incredible shock absorption and support with every step. That means less stress on your joints, especially your recovering knee. Trust me, your knees will thank you. Next we have the Brooks Ghost 14, a shoe known for its smooth ride and balanced cushioning. This isn't about sinking into a cloud, it's about walking on a supportive, comfortable surface. The Ghost 14 features Brooks DNA Loft cushioning, which provides a responsive and comfortable feel without being too soft. It's that just right feeling that makes a huge difference, especially post-surgery. Let's talk about the New Balance 928 V3, a shoe that screams stability and support. If you're looking for a shoe that keeps you steady on your feet, this is it. The 928 V3 features a motion control system and a wide base, providing excellent stability and preventing any unwanted movement that could strain your knee. It's all about giving you that extra confidence in each step as you recover. Chapter 4. ASICS Gel-Nimbus 25, like walking on clouds, but better. The ASICS Gel-Nimbus 25 is a classic for a reason. Renowned for its gel cushioning, it absorbs shock and provides a plush, comfortable ride. Imagine walking on clouds with perfect support and responsiveness. That's the Gel-Nimbus 25 experience. Gentle on your joints, it provides the support you need for a confident stride. Chapter 5. Skechers GOwalk Arch Fit, all-day comfort and arch support. Looking for a shoe that combines comfort and arch support? Look no further than the Skechers GOwalk Arch Fit. Designed for everyday wear, it offers excellent arch support and comfort. The Arch Fit insole helps maintain alignment and reduces knee stress. Lightweight and flexible, it allows natural movement all day. Chapter 6. Vionic Walker Classic, orthotic support for happy knees. The Vionic Walker Classic offers built-in orthotic support. Designed by podiatrists, it's serious about foot and knee health. The biomechanical footbed provides arch support and stability, available in various styles to match your wardrobe. The OOFOS OOmg low shoe is all about recovery and comfort. This shoe is designed with OOfoam technology, which absorbs impact and reduces stress on your joints, making it perfect for post-surgery recovery. Think of it as a gentle hug for your feet and knees. It's like walking on a soft, supportive surface that cushions every step, allowing your body to heal and recover comfortably. The Saucony Echelon 9 is a great option if you need a shoe with a wider base for added stability. This shoe provides a secure and supportive fit, which is essential for post-knee replacement recovery. It features a wide base and a medial post, offering excellent motion control and preventing your foot from rolling inward. This helps to stabilize your stride and reduce stress on your knee joint. The Merrell Encore Breeze 4 is a fantastic option for anyone who wants a shoe that's both comfortable and breathable. This shoe is designed for everyday wear, keeping your feet cool and comfortable all day long. It features a breathable mesh upper and a contoured footbed, providing excellent ventilation and cushioning. Plus, it's lightweight and flexible, allowing for natural movement and reducing fatigue. Last but not least, we have the Easy Spirit Traveltime Mule. This shoe is all about convenience and comfort, making it perfect for everyday wear, especially if you're looking for something easy to slip on and off. It features a cushioned footbed and a flexible outsole, providing all-day comfort and support. Plus, the slip-on design makes it incredibly convenient for those days when you don't want to fuss with laces or buckles. So there you have it, our top 10 picks for the best shoes for women after knee replacement surgery. Finding the right shoes can make a world of difference in your comfort and recovery. Check out the links in the description to learn more about these shoes. Give this video a thumbs up and subscribe for more health tips. Until next time, stay healthy and take care of those knees.